With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, a simple pendulum, while oscillating, rises to a maximum height of 5 centimeters from its rest position when it reaches to the extreme position on one side. If mass of the bob of if the mass of bob of the simple pendulum is 500 grams and g is 10 meters per second square, then find the total energy of the simple pendulum at any instant and the vertical velocity of bob at its mean position. We also have to state the assumption made in our calculation. Let's start. This is a simple pendulum and this is the bob of the pendulum. The mass of bob m is given to us as 500 gram. The assumption which we have to make in this question is that there is no energy loss due to friction. If there is no energy loss due to friction, then the total energy of the pendulum will be equal to the gravitational potential energy at the end. This is the vertical end which we are talking about. So the gravitational potential energy P will be equal to m into g into h. So P comes out to be mass is 500 grams. It can be written as 0.5 kg. G is 10 and height is 5 centimeters. So it can be written as 0.05 meter. So P is equal to 0.25 joules. Now we also have to calculate the velocity of bob. At the extreme end, the kinetic energy is equal to the gravitational potential energy. So it can be written as 1 by 2 into m into v square is equal to m into g into h. This will cancel out and v is equal to under root of 2gh. On simplifying, we get v is equal to g is 10, h is 0.05 meter. So the value of v comes out to be under root 1, which is 1 meter per second. So the answer of the question is the total energy is equal to 0.25 joules and the velocity of bob is 1 meters per second. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.